Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've made a video for the channel, but I just really haven't had any content lately and film for you guys. I didn't want to like just film any like BS and just put it out there. I feel like I would rather film content that I would rather want to watch myself and actually have really good content and entertainment for you guys to actually watch. This video, I'm pretty much going to be giving the car a wash real quick. We've got a big event tomorrow. We've got a huge rally. We're going to be going up till the Dragon, so it's going to be a pretty fun event. I got one of my buddies going with me as well. He's got an Audi. You guys will see him tomorrow. But this is how she's looking right now. She's pretty dirty. So I figured, you know, I'll get a quick wash in real quick. Look at all that. Look at all this nasty stuff. This is probably road stuff or just from like the tire shine splashing on the car. But yeah, it's filthy. It's really dirty, and I want to get this looking really good for tomorrow, because yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good rally going up to Tail the Dragon. If you guys are familiar with Georgia or Atlanta, there's this place called Blood Mountain. We're gonna be cruising there as well, so it's gonna be pretty fun before actually hitting Tail the Dragon. Blood Mountain, I feel like it's more intense than Tail the Dragon, but you know, it's gonna be fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this content. I'm gonna do a quick wash right now. Maybe I'll put you guys on a time lapse on this wash. If not, you know, obviously you guys will see the car after I'm done washing it. Inside is still looking pretty good. You guys remember I did the carbon fiber interior. Still holding up pretty good, pretty strong, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, let me wash this car real quick, and I'll probably pick up this video tomorrow morning because the rally is actually tomorrow and today is Friday. The car is all cleaned up and it's looking really good versus how it looked before. But yeah, she's all cleaned up now, so I'm just gonna park her in the garage and just get ready for the rally tomorrow. Topped up on oil. There's not much really I can check on except, you know, tires and all that, but I've got new tires on there. Brakes are still really good, in really good condition. Coolant, pretty good. Other than that, I'm not too worried. I know she's gonna perform real good tomorrow because I've done a lot of long distance and hard driving on her on long distance, and yeah, she pretty much holds up pretty well. For this thing, you can ride it all day, really hard, and that's what they're built for. So, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're about ready to head out to go meet up with the rest of the people in the rally. It's gonna take an hour and a half for us to get there. That's why we're up pretty early. But look at us, we're posted right up here. Look at that, 2 German cars, so beautiful. Oh man. Okay, so the last time I saw his car wasn't lowered, but now it's lowered. And guys, look at the stands. Oh, that's sick.
Dude, I love it. I love how much it's lowered. Dude, I love the tips also. Holy crap. Are those new tips? Yeah. That's what I thought. Dang. 4 inches, dude. It looks really good. Not gonna lie. Let me see how much space you got here. Oh, dude, you can definitely fit some, maybe like a 10mm space on the rear and in the front also. But it still looks good like this, though. I don't mind it. All right, he's filling up. I filled up yesterday, so we're good to go. I just left her running. She's warming up. And it's cold, but I got my jacket in the car. But yeah, I'll pick up this vlog once we get to the meetup spot where everyone is, and we can go from there. Guys, check out that view. Isn't it beautiful, the skies? Anyways, this is the lineup right here. It's nothing too big at all, to be honest. I was thinking there were more cars gonna pull up, but lineup is starting from there all the way there. Obviously, you can see me, I'm posted over there. We got a Mustang there, but a few cars behind there as well. Not with the pack, but obviously they're all here. Anyways, we're about to head out. So this should be this should be fun, guys. I'm excited. Like, this is gonna be fun. All right. Guys, we just came to the first stop. You guys saw those runs. Those were pretty gnarly runs. Man, she is handling really good. I'm really impressed. I hope you guys are enjoying this content, because it's gonna get intense before the Tail of the Dragon. This is Kayla's car. got my buddy with me. You can see him in the rear right there. It was fun. I hope I got some good footage for you guys. I think I did. But the rally is still going on, and it ends on Monday. We aren't staying, so we just came for a one-day rally with them. But man, it was a blast. I definitely pushed myself in the car on this one, and she handled really good. There are a few times where I was like, oh man, but yeah, it just comes down to skill and really going your pace when it comes to these kind of rallies and mountain runs. But it was a lot of fun. I loved it. So hope you guys enjoy this content. Right now I'm on the way back home to Atlanta. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the like button. You know what, just smash it. Just smash the like button. Give this video a lot of likes, and it would help out the channel a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.